So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you download Postman in Windows 11. Since Postman is a tool for API testing, so firstly let's move in our browser, and here you have to search for Postman. Yeah, this is the one. Just go on the first link and scroll down a little bit. You can just simply go back and get the direct download link from this download Postman button. Here you can see that download for Windows 64-bit. Just hit enter. This will take up a few seconds. So yeah, it is downloaded now. Just click on that. For now, we will minimize our browser. Here is the minimize button. You can see that Postman is loading. This will ask you to sign in. Just click on allow firstly. I have signed in from my earlier account, so I will just click sign out. Just close this tab. Now, you will see some of its features. When you have to enter your URL here in this particular box, and you can just select the type of request you want, like get and post and all. Then you can just simply tap the send button. So this was the basic tutorial. That's all for this video, guys.